Let's transform this ugly concrete with Rust-Oleum RockSolid garage floor coating. This 2-part polycuramine coating is 20 times stronger than epoxy. The kit comes with a roller and decorative chips. The first step is cleaning. Sweep and blow out any dust, then rinse the floor with water. Mix some Rust-Oleum cleaner and degreaser for concrete with water and pour it generously over the floor. Let it soak for 20 minutes and scrub it clean, using undiluted cleaner if needed on stubborn spots. Rinse it well and squeegee out all the water, then leave it to dry thoroughly using a fan if needed. To get the floor ready, apply a coat of Rust-Oleum Concrete and Garage Recoat Primer. Cut in the edges with a brush, then roll in the middle until the floor is covered. This primer works great if your concrete is already sealed or coated and lets you skip the etching step that usually comes with floor coatings. Let dry at least 6 hours. Now it's time for the rock-solid coating. Roll the pouch from A to B to burst the seal, then mix the bag thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes to be sure everything is well distributed. Snip off a corner of the bag and pour ribbons of the coating onto your floor, working in small sections and keeping a wet edge. Cut in the edges with a brush and fill in the middle with a roller. Remember to work quickly. RockSolid starts to cure in under an hour. Before the coating dries, be sure to sprinkle on the decorative chips for an extra touch. Sprinkle them just a few at a time, tossing them high into the air for even distribution. Once you're done coating the floor, leave it to cure overnight. RockSolid is ready for light foot traffic in 8 to 10 hours and full use in 24 hours. Just look at that glorious shine and durable glossy finish.